Good morning, students. I am Sachin. Tell me about yourself. How are you? Hope you will fine. So, in this video, we will discuss about your biology chapter number first and in your textbook chapter number 5, the fundamental unit of life. So, you will see the fundamental unit. What is the fundamental unit of life? So, basically, the foundation of life is called fundamental unit. Okay, so what is the foundation of life? In our life, in any living organisms, the fundamental unit is cell. Okay, CELL, CELL, not to be confused with cell bechna, or not to be confused with cell to be used in watch or electronic watch, electronic remotes. So this is cell is called in Hindi koshika. Okay, so this cell is also called koshika. So this cell is discovered by Robert Hooke, and Robert Hooke, when he discovered in 1665. Okay, Robert Hooke discovered this cell in 1665 in Cork. So basically, what is the cell? How can you identify the cell and how can you recognize? So basically, you have to check, you have to understand by the example of, like, the foundation of our home is our foundation. In our foundation of home we use bricks. Okay, the smallest unit is brick. Now this brick is the smallest unit of our home. So like this, in our life, the smallest unit is cell. Okay, and this cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665 in the Cork, and he used the microscope, and he see the behave like structure, the like honey bee behave like structure, like छत्ता. ओके, मधुमक्खी के छत्ते की तरीके से इन्होंने उस कॉर्क में सेल्स देखी थी. तो ये सेल्स, ये जो चैम्बर्स हैं, यही लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स के फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स होती हैं लाइफ की. एंड आगे हम देखेंगे व्हाट आर द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स मेड ऑफ. सो बेसिकली लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स मेड ऑफ कैसे बने होते हैं लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. सो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म को बनने के लिए इनमें पहले तो फंडामेंटल यूनिट की ज़रूरत होती है. फर्स्टली दे रिक्वायर्ड फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ, तो सेल. ओके, यू हैव टू find out cell. Then these cells made tissues. Okay, these cells made tissues, and these tissues made organs. Okay, organs, 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 and these organs made organ system. These organs made organ system, and these organ system made our body. Okay, so what is the sequence? So firstly it's cell, then tissue, then cell, tissue, then organs, then organ system, and then our body. Okay, so this is the right sequence for achieving our body. So here you can see that body, and here you can see this is the smallest unit. So smallest unit also called fundamental unit, cell. Cell is also called structural and functional unit of life. Okay, so हमने इस वीडियो में ये समझा कि सेल क्या होती है, एंड सेल किस तरीके से हमारी बॉडी को असेंबल करती है, बनाती है, ये कैसे हमारे बॉडी के लिए स्मॉलेस्ट यूनिट है, फंडामेंटल यूनिट है. अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सेल के पार्ट्स के बारे में समझेंगे, सेल के अंदर कौन कौन से ऑर्गेनेल्स होते हैं, ये सब समझेंगे. ओके, सो स्टे सेफ, स्टे हेल्दी, एंड डू योर वर्क प्रॉपरली. थैंक यू.